What is going on, guys? Bad Vibes Forever Collection back at it again with another unboxing video. In today's video, we got ourselves an XL orange kill hoodie as well as a 17 motion logo Japan exclusive hat, the color blue. We got two awesome pieces here today. One you guys have seen plenty of times on this channel. I know, duplicates upon duplicates. What am I doing? I don't know. That's the question, or that's the answer to that question. I don't know what I'm doing, but we got ourselves a duplicate, but then we got ourselves a new addition to the 17 motion logo hat collection. So first, we're going to go ahead and do the duplicate since, yeah, and new. So we're going to save the newbie for a little bit later. Fun fact too, I just got this about like 30 minutes ago. Got this 2 days ago. I saved this since I was like, I don't want to do the hat by itself and set up all my lights and whatnot. So I was like, I'm gonna wait for this. So without further ado, fun little fact actually, before I get into the opening. This has a crazy story, not crazy, but like, man, it took like a month and a half to like get this here. Basically, I bought it from a guy, or he was selling it on Depop. I bought it through Instagram / like PayPal. He ghosted me for a couple days, and I was like, you know what? Boom, refund. And then like weeks later, I get my money back, and then he messaged me back and was like, yo, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, blah, blah, blah. And, and basically, I was like, all right, let's do it again. So I freaking bought it again, but this time, homie came through. Shouts out to him. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Actually, before I do, the only difference between these and my other orange kills is this is a purple tag. I got a purple tag on this piece, so let's get into it. Okay, I don't think I'm a one-hand. All right, I don't think you guys got to see black. I can do this. I see the orange. I see the orange, ladies and gentlemen. Come on! It's so freaking hard. It's so sticky. Y'all see that? It's sticky. All right. Using my other hand to like press down. Come on! Okay. You know what? Sorry, guys. I got like 70% through, but this 30% is ripping. Okay. It has been ripped. We're in this. We're in this busy. No kizzy. There's the hoodie. Let's go ahead. Spoon boot. Not really, but come on. Get out of there, brother. Gosh darn it. Hold on. Oh, that's why I was stuck on some thing. Oh my gosh, it's folded like crap. Oh no. Oh no. It doesn't matter. What do you expect? You know what I'm saying? Oh, that is nasty. That's nasty. But it'll never be like this again, so I guess I'll peep it while it's still like this. Anyways. Oh, on camera it's a lot more orangey, and in person it's more like bright. I don't know. Different shades of orange coming through the camera versus in person. Without further ado, bada bing, bada boom. We open this smackaroo. Boom! The orange kill hoodie, guys. Oh, that's sick. Very, very nice, my friends. Very nice. Okay, so right off rip, I'm in love with the softness. It is still soft on the inside. That is awesome. I love to see it. Love to see it. Checking out the logo. It's not easy to tell on camera, but we got a lot of cracking, but it's black, so you guys can't see, nor can anyone else, which is what I like. We got ourselves the OG sleeve text. Let me straighten that out for y'all for a minute. Hold up. Hold up. There's the sleeve text for y'all. The OG capital sleeve text, you know what I'm saying? Let's like fold this so you guys can see like this thing is big still. This guy did not like wash it. I love it. Well, but whatever. You can see like minor standaroos throughout, you know what I'm saying? But can't complain. But now, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, the tag. There it is. Wait, hold up. Technical difficulties. The XL purple tag. Freaking love purple tags. They're so cool. I love Old Revenge for the unique tags and whatnot. Adds so much like depth to the brand, I feel like. We got ourselves a big hood. This guy stretched out the hood for sure. So that is nice for me. I love that. Can't wait to rock it. But now, without further ado, the kill hand. You guys saw part of it being destroyed. Well, now you're going to see the full thing. Oh, we got another little stain-a-roo right there. Gonna have to clean this motherfucker, but no worries, no worries. The kill hand reveal, ladies and gentlemen. Badoom. Okay, this thing is cooked. But that's good in my books because, again, from afar you can't really tell. But what that does for me is makes this a very wearable piece, meaning I don't got to worry about it getting more cracked. You guys can tell. This thing is beat to smithereens. Fingernails always intact though. You already know. You can't really tell, but fingers are usually intact on pieces that are cracked anyways. I do like, however, that even though it's cracked throughout like crazy, we don't got missing puff. Maybe like our tad bit right there, I can tell. Where you can see like the orange seep through, but it's amazing. Immaculate. Freaking super thankful for that guy. Yeah. Wow. Okay, wow. Worth the wait. I'll say worth the wait. But now, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, we'll keep that in the background. Without further ado, we got the Motion logo, Japan exclusive blue Motion logo hat. Let's get into the opening. So a lot of my information's on the other side, so actually give me a second. I'm just gonna rip it open. Sorry you guys can't see that far. Oh, you guys can see it now. Okay, let me make sure I don't got nothing being shown here. Looks good though. If you guys couldn't already tell, this is from Japan. You know, Japan exclusive come from Japan. Makes sense, right guys? Check the other side. Yeah, we're good. This is chill. So this is the box it came in. Little bag. It's always interesting what they ship these in. Let me get my coin claw, my trusty dusty coin claw for this little tape. Open it up. Now we gotta make a little slit. You know what I'm saying? Little slime, little slime, slit. I don't know what that was. Anyways, that should be a rip-a-roo buckaroo. What the heck is going on here? I don't even know what I'm looking at. Oh, okay. Oh, this goes up. Ugh, I got it. There we go. And got this 2 days ago. This is today. But here we go. I see it in all of its flat, crunched up self. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap. Boom. Holy crap. I can't, I was going to say like holy crap because this is the original like plastic, but no, it's not true. But I forgot about that part. There's something else in there. Hold on. What the heck? Is this like a Squid Games invitation? What the heck is this? I don't know what this says, but Google Translate will tell me later. Oh, this is just like their card for the shop that I got it from. For sure. But what the cool thing about this one is, if you guys couldn't already tell, great is the, I guess the collaboration, like business that they use to sell these pieces. And it freaking still has the original tag on it. Oh, sick. You can even see how much it originally cost. That's awesome. That is super cool. Brand spanking freaking new. Look at this thing. Wow. And also, if you guys couldn't tell, this is screen print. For the longest time when I saw these online, I would think this is like embroidery, but no. The original versions were screen printed. Which is insane, because like who the heck screen prints on a hat? Like I've never heard of that before. They've got the 17 on the back. I'm not sure when this came out. Like, I'm thinking, like, did this come out before X and Revenge parted ways or something? Because, you know, it's still got 17 for X, basically, but... Anyways, either way, very cool. Let's check out the tag, and then we'll call it quits for the vid. There's the tag. Freaking love black tags. And then you just, like, see the stitching through right there. Not really noticeable, so... That's that. But, yeah, this hat's brand spanking new. Pretty freaking awesome. I can't believe I got the tag still on it. Wow. Yeah, very nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. You already know, this has been Bad Vibes Forever Collection. Signing off. Have an amazing day, everyone. I got the motherfucking Hoodie blue motion logo too.